Whenever if you join in the organization, 3 digital records will be created. So whenever if you try to join in the new company, they will create 3 digital records that you cannot erase. Okay. If you come out from the organization, you know you need to get the relieving letter, relieving evidence, everything in order to join in the new organization. If you failed, if you hide this company details, when you join in the future organization, they can easily identify whatever recorded that 3 records. Okay. If you are working in current organization, they also will create that 3 records. Okay. What I am trying to say here, don't hide your past experience. Some people will say, no PF account created. That is one of the digital record, we know that. But however, apart from PF account, there are other 2 digital record will be created. Okay. Please check before you joining into new organization. If you failed, if you don't check that 2 parameters apart from PF account, your new employer will terminate you, and that will create critical problems to join in next organization or future life. It will create major problem. Okay. So please subscribe this video and share to your friends. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye bye.